To Imiebi Rose. So today I'm going to show you how I use this hairdryer that I got in January, and I saw so many reviews about it, especially looking at the 4C hair and how 4C hair takes to it. I've used it once already and got good results, and I never thought I'd be using something with a brush like this, because when I was a child my mum said that this is not for your hair type, so don't bother using it. But it works really well. Now, the important thing is to make sure that your hair is well moisturized and detangled before you even start, because you don't want to rely on this brush to detangle your hair. Definitely not. So if you look at my previous video, I took you through my wash day and I showed you how I detangled my hair and moisturized it. So that's a #1 step. The second thing, let's get this out of the box and show you. The second thing is to make sure that you're using a heat protectant. My go-to is Chi Silk Infusions. Used it for years. Got this from Amazon. So I'll just put a little bit on each section, because a little bit always goes a long way. So that is something that I have to remind myself, because as I'm going through my sections sometimes I forget. So this is the brush, the hairdryer, and I've used it before. I got it back in January and I used it when I took out my yarn twists. And the thing that I noticed with this is that there's so much like grime that gets in between here. I tried to clean it out the best I could, but because it's the residue from the product on my hair, and the fact that there's some fluff from the yarn, that is just a bit annoying. I like the fact that it has a swivel cord, and I like the idea of it. So I'm about to get into the video, so I look forward to seeing what you think. If you have used it, please let me know what you think. Before I start, I decided to use it on the highest heat, and I'm already noticing that the markers to show you how high it is are already wiping off. I know that it's because probably it's greasy when I'm touching my hair and all that, but it's just a bit surprising. It's already wiping off. Anyway, let's get started.
Hello, my name's Laifa, and I want to share with you 3 things which has helped my hair massively with its health, its growth, and just the general care of my hair. #1 is deep conditioning. Whether you have natural hair, relaxed hair, straight hair, it is a game changer. #2 is onion. I know some of you may have heard of this, but onion has changed my hair growth entirely, especially on occasions when I am consistent with it. I have seen a huge difference in the shedding of my hair, the growth of my hair, the color of my hair. It just looks darker and richer. And #3 is simply leaving my hair alone, letting it be. So that means loads of protective styles, just protective style after protective style. Don't over manipulate it and faff about with it. No, just let it be.
I woke up this morning, ain't nothing changed. I've been struggling in my mind, which way to go. I know I gotta find a place. I know I gotta try to save us. We better hurry and find a way. We better hurry and try to change. Baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Oh, baby, where we at? Where we at? Where we at with this song? Baby, I need to know where we at. Where we at with this song? I saw you this morning. You looked my way. I saw struggle in your eyes. About which way some space. We better hurry and try to change. Baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? I need to know. Baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Oh, tell me where we at. Where we at with this song? Oh, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Oh, tell me where we at? Where we at with this song? Ah, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Baby, tell me where we at? Where we at with this song? Oh, where we at with this song? Oh, tell me where we at? Know what I go through. You can never know what I go through. Be in love with you, just to stay right here with you. Take back all the wrong. I can't take it back. The things we do, we should just move on. Baby, we should just call it done. Oh, you could never know the things I do for you. Oh, we can't take it back. Oh, we should just move on. Maybe we should just move on. Where we at with this song? Oh, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Tell me where we at with this song? Oh, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Tell me where we at? Where we at with this song? Ah, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Baby, tell me where we at? Where we at with this song? Ah, baby, where we at? Where we at with this song? Oh, tell me where we at?
I want you to know that you're beautiful.
And normalize natural hair. Bye.
So you made it to the end of this video, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this hairdryer to one winner. So please definitely make sure you're following me across all my platforms. They'll be linked below, and in the comment section, put enter me. Just let me know something that you like about Natural Hair Week, something you like about my videos, or why you're subscribed for so long, or how long have you been subscribed. Mix it up a bit. Just tell me a bit about what you enjoy about this, and I'll pick someone. Get commenting.